welcome back to my channel, and this is Juliet from Juliet's Corner. And today's video, I would like to share with you on how to make a t-shirt at home using your Cricut Explorer 2. So you're just gonna use the vinyl and the Cricut machine and the heat press. So I'll show you. It's very easy. So first, you have to go to your Cricut design space, and I have this design already ready. So I just want to show you on how to mock up on t-shirt, so you can see that everything is okay with the sizes. So we're gonna put it in a woman, and I'm gonna put it in medium. So you have to, I edit this already, and you have to click the weld here. So this has been already weld, same as this one. And you have to go to, oops, so you have to go to make it, and then you have to mirror your, let me change the color so you can see it in white, or there you go, so you can see it and mirror it. Probably I'm gonna use this, I'll print 2 of this. So what you can do is hit this side, this part, duplicate, and you got 2 of them. So hit make it, and then it's not gonna work, so we're just gonna do like that, and we have to adjust. So we have to adjust this part. So if you plot everything, or you have it fixed before you cut it, make sure it's in mirrored, because you're gonna press this with your heat press. So click continue, and then you just have to wait for your Cricut to show up here. So you're gonna use everyday iron on, use the default, and so we already have the vinyl. That's the height of this one is 8, and then the width is 12 inches. So we're gonna put it in our mat. Make sure it's flat, and then we have to get our Cricut, load it in your Cricut, press this one, just put this one in custom. So if you see that this letter C is blinking, you have to press that for cutting. the next step, you have to weed everything that's in here. Then you have to grab your shirt, clean it with your lint roller, so you have to press this for at least 5 seconds first. And the heat press, the heat press was set to 305 for 15 seconds. So I already put all the vinyl, the vinyl that I weed. Next step is you just have to put the wordings or the design, cover it with parchment paper, press it for 15 seconds. And so I love to press this for another 5 seconds just to make sure. Actually, you can peel it with warm or hot peel. And there we go. So that is easy. 5 simple steps. Just design using the design Cricut space. Make your design in there. Cut it with your Cricut machine with the design, and then press it with your heat press. So that's the easy simple way, or easy simple steps on how to make a shirt at home with your Cricut Explorer 2. So that's how you make your shirt at home with your Cricut Explorer 2. Before I end this video, I would like to thank everyone who already subscribed to this channel, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Juliet's Corner, share this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. If you have any comment, you can leave your comment in the comment box below. And if you would like to order, I'm gonna link my Etsy shop in the description box. And that's it. Before I forgot, don't forget to turn on your bell notification, so every time I post a video like this, you will get notified. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.